Apple AirTags are now misbehaving, sending false alarms to iPhone users. Finding lost things. Is it that easy? Is an Apple AirTag a solution to your astray things? Or is it just a misuse of people's time and a waste of your money? These may be the questions that come to your mind while using an AirTag, and soon you'll get your answers in this video, so stay tuned. So welcome to Techverse, you all. We are back with another interesting video. Here today, we are going to talk about Apple AirTag's new bug that keeps sending false alarms. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video right away. AirTag is a tracking device developed by Apple. AirTag is designed to act as a key finder, which helps people find personal objects like keys, bags, apparel, small electronic devices, and vehicles. AirTags use Apple's crowdsourced Find My network to track lost items. Find My network, estimated in early 2021, consists of approximately 1 billion devices worldwide that identify and anonymously report emitted Bluetooth signals. AirTags are compatible with any iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch device capable of running iOS or iPadOS 14.5 or later. It uses the built-in U1 chip on iPhone 11 or later, and users can more precisely locate items using UWB or ultra-wideband technology. AirTag was announced on April 20th, 2021, made available for pre-order on April 23rd, and released on April 30th. But everything has its drawbacks, and so do these Apple AirTags. While AirTags has seen its share of success stories, it has also become a significant security threat as well, with many people complaining that they have found unidentified AirTags on them which were being used to stalk them. AirTag security issues have been bannered by many, and Apple has also admitted the problem and has come up with some updates to tackle the issue. However, that hasn't been enough to dissuade stalkers from using the trackers to follow and haunt others. The company has monologued the issue again and has declared new updates that will be coming out soon. Older updates of Apple that were to deal with the stalking issue had a notification that users will get if an unknown AirTag is tracking them. All iPhones running iOS 14.5 and up will receive notifications if an AirTag is detected tracking someone who does not possess it. The notifications will pop up once the user returns home. Apple also launched an app for Android users in December that will let them know about the mystery AirTags observing them. Inclusionary, AirTags was also updated to make sound at random times between 8 to 24 hours when they are unconnected from their owners. iPhone users can also use their phones to let AirTag release noise to help find it rapidly. Apple also added detailed instructions about how to disable an unwanted AirTag from the phone. AirTags have serial numbers by which they can be traced back to the owner, but this trait is not of much aid if the AirTag cannot be found in the first place. AirTag was planned to assist people to find their personal possessions, not to track other people's property, and we convict in the robust possible terms any malevolent use of our products. People do experience unwanted tracking alerts for reasons like borrowing someone's car keys or being in a car with a friend or family member's AirPods. They are also aware that the AirTags are being misused, the company pointed out. We also have seen information of people attempting to misuse AirTag for criminal purposes. Apple has been working closely with various safety groups and law enforcement agencies. Through our assessments, we have found even more ways we can modernize AirTag safety cautions and assist guard against upcoming unwanted tracking, Apple added. We have been actively working with law enforcement on all AirTag-related requests we've received. Based on our knowledge and on discussions with law enforcement, incidents of AirTag misuse are rare. However, each instance is one too many, the company said. Every AirTag has a unique serial number, and paired AirTags are associated with an Apple ID. Apple can provide the paired account details in response to a subpoena or valid request from law enforcement. From the moment a person sets up an AirTag, they will see a message that states AirTags are supposed to track their possessions only, and that using an AirTag to track people without their consent is a crime. The message by Apple stated that an AirTag is made to be tracked by victims, and that law enforcement can request identifying information about the owner of the AirTag. For users who have been getting unknown accessory detected alerts for AirPods, Apple has modernized this issue, and the alert will not be shown if an AirTag is detected near the user. Only AirPods, third generation, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, or a third-party Find My network accessory. We will be updating the alert users receive to indicate that AirPods have been traveling with them instead of an unknown accessory, Apple added. Precision finding, a feature that will help receive unwanted tracking alerts to locate an unknown AirTag better, will be coming out later this year. Precision finding will be available to iPhone 11, iPhone 12, and iPhone 13 users to identify the distant unknown AirTag when it is near. When an iPhone user goes active, precision finding merges input from the camera, AR kit, accelerometer, and gyroscope to guide them to the AirTag through a combination of sound, haptics, and visual feedback, Apple explained. The sounds that AirTags emit to alert people about what they present are not loud enough to be heard. Thus, Apple is going to add a display alert on your device so that quick action can be taken, like playing the sound again or using precision finding to locate the unwanted AirTag faster. This thing will help in cases where the AirTag is in locations untraceable or unheard of, or if the AirTag speaker has been interfered with, Apple said. According to a report released by the Wall Street Journal, the AirTags are sending wrong alerts to their owners, therefore confusing users. iPhone users are getting alarms of an AirTag tracking their location, even when there is no story AirTag in the locale. The alarms are usually occurring in the middle of the night. The users have been in distress because of this situation. Since these false alarms are in the middle of the night, the person's iPhone gets an unknown AirTag alert. A guiding map shows the location of the tracker and when it is tracking your whereabouts. In such a case, though, the users can see straight lines emerging from the person's location. This is not meant to happen, and it looks like a bug that kept past Apple during the software development phase. Apple's new stalking features include alarms as a major part. Few months before these AirTags gained a notorious position of being a stalker's favorite gadget, the information came out about stalkers taking advantage of the AirTags to track the location of people and follow them home. The trackers were also used in car robberies, and these trackers were found to be stuck in the wheels and bumpers of cars. Apple had to quickly find a solution to these happenings and come up with anti-stalking features. One easy way seems to get rid of this was to alert the user faster than ever, but this feature seemed to be a new bug that alerted the users unnecessarily. According to a report by The Verge, they said that the AirTag safety feature crashed when the iPhone notified it their own AirTag was stalking them. Also, there have been some reports of AirPods doing the same. Apple also plans to update its unwanted tracking alert system to notify users sooner about an unwanted and unidentified AirTag or Find My Network accessory traveling with them. AirTag users will also be able to adjust the tone sequence on the AirTag to make it louder so that it can be more easily found, particularly in the case of unwanted tracking alerts. What remains to be seen is how Apple plans to fix the issue. It has been a while since the AirTag has been in the news for all the wrong reasons. Apple's sophisticated device tracker has been causing issues with users around the globe, and a permanent fix is yet to come for all of its related issues. The AirTag tracker is sold in India with a starting price of 3190 rupees for the single pack and 10,900 rupees for the 4-pack. So this was all about the video. I hope you like the information given in the video. If you have anything on your mind, feel free to comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this. Also, hit the bell icon to get the notification of the latest update on the channel. And thanks for watching!